Hi guys, so as you requested, I will make a server room video. Although I must say that this is just a temporary setup. I'll move everything downstairs. So to start off with, my diagnostic computer, the Dell D620. This is what I make. This is what I configure all my servers with. This is a very good friend. It's also joined to the domain that one of the servers are hosting. So on the floor currently is a Dell PowerEdge R900. It's a virtualization server. On the left is my FreeNAS box. And this is my Windows Server 2012 computer, which is running the domain, the DNS, the DHCP, and I think it's running Hyper-V as well. The three Atom boxes, the bottom one is the router running pfSense, the middle one is running Ubuntu, running a web server, and the top one is just a Windows 7 client computer to manage all of the computers. That notebook there is just my old netbook that I do downloading on, because it does have a 1 terabyte hard drive in it, just so that it's torrenting. So there we have a battery backup. Regard this is a remote management system for the house. Up top we have a TP-Link switch with a switch sign. As you can see, the 16 gigabit ports are all used currently. The throughput is just enough, so I will have to buy a new switch very soon. This is a Netgear Wi-Fi access point, a monitor that I monitor things with, a KVM switch to switch between the two sources, so this is now going to be FreeNAS. There's another KVM switch which is running the monitor, which is the Ubuntu, and then the switch there's the Windows 7 monitoring computer. That there is the Cisco cable modem that I got supplied with recently. That my internet connection is 20 megabits down, 1 megabit up, with a fixed IP address. And that's basically it. Some servers are missing. Some are not here yet. Some are downstairs being repaired or recovered or, well, taken apart. For example, my load balancers are all apart because I just recently rebuilt these into these rack cases, these 1U rack cases. They used to be in these cases here, these top ones. And that's why that's under progress, but I'm not using them at this point in time. My likely use will be when they're in the rack already, and one of the 1U servers are not going to be there, so that's going to stay here. The switch is going to stay here, and I want to do the fiber optics. Oh yes, and not to forget before I go away, there is the all essential battery backup. What else is that? Well, there is not much more to show. There are some there's some of my equipment that I use for networking and other sort of crap. All of these need to get organized. They're just dumped here. Yeah, this is the touchscreen laptop I was talking about on the forums. I don't know what's your opinion of touchscreen. I don't mind, to be honest, but I quite like the fact that I can just do touch operations when I'm sitting in the bed or when I'm not actually working on something, but I do like to have a keyboard and mouse. So yes, that's basically it. There's not much more to show in this setup at the moment, other than the horrible cable management that I did an attempt on, but I did fail because I didn't want to take all the servers down to manage all the cables. So those are nicely organized, but below, not much. So thank you for watching, and there shall be an update very soon of this setup.